Do you sell on Amazon? Join free online event featuring over 25 experts. Learn what's working on Amazon right now. Click the link below to get your free ticket to the summit.
We're going to be going through some really cool things on how to improve your listing. We're going to be talking about some things you can do to your listing that can make a difference almost overnight.
I'm just going to go through the product launch strategy that I use in my business. There's no black hat. There's no tactic. It's 100% Amazon compliant, and it works.
We just lost a lot of viewers because you said there will be no black hat tactics.
And then there's a lot of misinformation online with this sort of stuff. One of the heaviest things is this discounted products. So like we spoke about, it'd be interesting to actually do some case studies, and all the results were, they were quite interesting.
And in that time, we've launched over 200 different private label SKUs. And so we have a lot of experience scaling, launching very quickly. And that's really one of the expertises that we've built. So in this presentation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with people our methods and tactics for launching a private label SKU 2018 and above. This is kind of our methodology, our approach.
Today, you will be sharing with us some strategies to how to effectively manage PPC, right?
Yeah, and specifically how to build a manageable account. We see a ton of people with really complicated accounts, and there's just no reason for that.
I'll be sharing pricing strategies that you could apply to your listings. If you're a beginner seller, you will be able to think where you have to start with your price. What are the things that people care about? And what are the little tricks that you can use in Amazon that would attract people to your listing? Now, if you're an advanced seller, you will see how your eyes will open up to some things that you can apply to your existing listings.
Can you describe what did you do at Amazon for 8 years?
So I moved to compliance. Doing recalls and product safety. So basically just making sure that the website was safe from unsafe products. So the easiest way to figure out what the requirements might be on your product is to ask a lab. That's the easiest, fastest way.
Today, I wanted to share a little bit about some other trade shows that Amazon sellers can go to quickly add product SKUs other than Canton Fair.
We're going to be covering how to offload tasks and onboard VAs. So ultimately, you can get more income, more freedom and fulfillment in your business.
So I'm going to talk today a lot about the importance of proper inventory planning and the benefits for your business, some of the challenges that a lot of sellers face doing that. And then I'm going to show a couple of methods with Excel that I like to use, and also kind of explain some of the other options that are out there.
I'll give you a rundown of what we're talking about. I'm specifically, of course, talking about strategies for private labels, private label sellers, looking for or helping to explain that there are opportunities for more profit, generating faster sales, and even using price changes to rank better on Amazon.
People are so focused on the Amazon algorithm, they actually forget about the customers that they're supposed to be serving. So that's what I'm going to go into. Also, doing some very good keyword research and also optimizing your listing in a way that it connects with your customers and you actually convince them to buy your product.
So if you appropriately name Amazon owes you money. I think a lot of new sellers especially might not have heard of this yet. So I thought it was worth bringing it up and mentioning it again because Amazon does owe you money as an FBA seller, so it's important that you claim what is rightly yours.